We live in a volatile universe filled with mysteries and catastrophic events that can reach hundreds, even thousands of light years. From black holes to magnetars to supernovas, but perhaps the most terrifying and least understood is strange matter. While it might sound like something out of science fiction, strange matter is a theoretical form of matter that could destroy the entire universe. The mere possibility of its existence keeps astrophysicists up at night, and the reason is simple. Strange matter, if real, could be the most dangerous substance in the cosmos. Strange matter is believed to be a highly stable form of quark matter, a type of matter that exists under extreme conditions. To understand what it is, we first need to understand what quarks are. Quarks are fundamental particles that combine to form protons and neutrons, which make up the nuclei of atoms. Typically, there are two types of quarks found in ordinary matter: up quarks and down quarks. Neutron stars are the collapsed remnants of massive stars after they've gone supernova and are one of the most dense objects in the universe. There's a mathematical possibility that quarks could break free from the bonds that hold them together inside protons and neutrons. In such extreme conditions, a third type of quark is created. It's a strange quark which results in what is called strange matter. Strange matter is incredibly dense, with a tablespoon weighing billions of tons, which is heavier than even Mount Everest. It's more stable than ordinary matter and is theoretically capable of converting any matter it touches into more strange matter. This property is what makes it so terrifying. If strange matter were to come into contact with regular matter, it could start a chain reaction, transforming everything it touches into more strange matter. The most frightening aspect of strange matter is its ability to trigger a catastrophic chain reaction that could consume the entire universe. In theory, if even a small piece were to come into contact with regular matter, it could transform the surrounding material, causing an unstoppable domino effect. Think of it like a cosmic virus. If it were to fall into a neutron star, it would start converting the star's matter into strange matter. This transformation wouldn't stop, but rather continue outward, converting nearby stars, planets, and other celestial objects. While this sounds apocalyptic, it's also hypothetical. No direct evidence of strange matter has been found yet, but the idea that it could turn the universe into a strange matter soup haunts many astrophysicists, and if it does exist, could already be at work in corners of the universe, consuming and destroying everything in its path. This is a terrifying realization if strange matter already exists. You can imagine strange matter stars and entire solar systems transformed into strange matter dead zones. If these strange stars exist, they could be ticking time bombs for the entire universe. Should one of these stars come into contact with a neutron star or other forms of dense matter, it could begin the conversion process, setting off a chain reaction that could spread, consuming all matter throughout the known universe. The concern is the possibility of strange matter reaching Earth. Even just one tiny particle of strange matter, often referred to as a strangelet, were to somehow collide with our planet, it could spell disaster. In theory, even a minuscule strangelet could start converting Earth's matter and turning our planet into an unrecognizable strange matter object. What makes strange matter so terrifying isn't just its innate ability to destroy everything it touches, it's also the uncertainty that surrounds it. Strange matter remains largely theoretical, a mathematical probability, with no definitive proof of its existence as of yet. But many astrophysicists agree that, given the extreme conditions present in neutron stars, it's possible that strange matter could exist somewhere in the universe. The fact that we don't fully understand it makes it an even larger concern. In physics, unknowns often lead to breakthroughs, but they can also reveal dangers we hadn't previously considered. The unknown properties of strange matter, with its ability to destroy ordinary matter, makes it a wild card in our understanding of the universe. Could strange matter really destroy the universe? The short answer is yes, but it's a highly speculative possibility. If strange matter exists, and if it can transform ordinary matter into more strange matter, then it could theoretically destroy the universe. However, this outcome depends on several assumptions that we do not yet have answers to. Strange matter may not be as dangerous as we fear. While it's theorized to be more stable than regular matter, it's unclear whether it would actually trigger a broad chain reaction. Some scientists believe that if strange matter exists, it might need to meet very specific conditions to start converting other matter. For example, it might only transform other matter under extreme pressures and temperatures like those found in neutron stars, not in regular space environments like our solar system. And even if strange matter exists, the universe is vast, and the likelihood of strange matter spreading across galaxies or reaching our solar system is incredibly low. We could be millions of light years away from any strange stars or strangelets. Given these great distances, the spread would take hundreds, thousands, maybe even millions of years. The fear is that there is a neutron star close to us that is producing strange matter within it. If it were to happen, there is nothing that could be done to stop the spread. It would be unstoppable. The fact is, strange matter is one of the great unknowns of modern astrophysics. While no definitive proof of its existence has been found, its theoretical properties are enough to keep physicists up at night. The possibility that it could trigger a chain reaction, converting ordinary matter into strange matter and consuming everything in its path, is a terrifying prospect. Strange matter serves as a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe. The mysteries of strange matter underscores the importance of continued research into the fundamental building blocks of the cosmos. Whether strange matter turns out to be a harmless curiosity or a cosmic destroyer remains to be seen. For now, it sits at the edge of our understanding, both fascinating and frightening in its potential to reshape the universe as we know it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time in a godless universe.